Welcome to linuxhelp.com. Today I will show you how to install and configure Zimplit CMS on CentOS 8.1. Zimplit is the easiest content management system ever made. It is extremely lightweight, simple and customizable. Zimplit consists of only one core engine file. It will no requirement of database. With Zimplit you don't need special templates. You can edit any HTML and CSS pages. Most importantly, Zimplit is an on-site editor. Everything happens on the site, not in admin area. So now let's proceed with the installation process of Zimplit CMS. First of all, we will install Apache server using yum command. Installing the packages. Now it's completed. First of all, we will start the Apache service using systemctl command. Make it enable. Now check status. Yeah, it's active and running. Now I will install PHP and its module using yum command. Yes. Downloading packages. Installing the packages. Now installation is complete. Now I will create .php extension file in Apache root directory using vim command. Type your content here. Write and quit. Now restart the Apache service using systemctl command. Now I'm going to download Zimplit CMS using wget command. Now download is completed. We will unzip it using unzip command. Unzip it. Now I will move Zimplit CMS master to Apache root directory. Move. Now change ownership using chown command. Now change permissions using chmod command. Now we will create virtual host for Zimplit CMS. Now we will provide some content here. Server alias. Write and quit. Now restart the Apache service. Now go to the browser and type your domain name there. Type your domain name here. Now for this you have to create account. Here is a username. Give password. Give email ID. Now click install installation. Now agree the license agreement here and copy URL. Okay. So this is the Zimplit application. Now from here you can make a new website. So this is the method how to install Zimplit CMS on CentOS 8.1. If you like it, please subscribe to our channel, and also to watch more tutorial, please visit our website www.linuxhelp.com. And if you have any queries, mail us to support@linuxhelp.com.